morning student. Welcome to our channel TEMS. Today I will teach you subject accountancy for class 11. If you are class 11 student, then this video useful to you. So please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to never miss any update. If you find my video useful, then like it. I will cover whole account syllabus during this journey. Today topic is accountancy. Before we comes to our topic, we must know that father of accountancy. Father of accountancy is Luca Pacioli. Meaning of accounting. In 1941, the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants had defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner in terms of money. Objective of accounting. As an information system, the basic objective of accounting is to provide useful information to the interested group of users, both internal and external. The necessary information, particularly in case of external users, is provided in the form of financial statement, that is profit and loss account and balance sheet. Then our topic is calculation of profit or loss. The owner of the business are need to have an idea about the net result of their business operation periodically. Periodically means annually. Whether the business has earned profit or incurred losses. Thus, another objective of accounting is to ascertain the profit earned or loss sustained by a business during an accounting period, which can be easily worked out with the help of record of information and relating to the business by preparing profit and loss account for the period. There are some basic terms we used in accounting. These are as follows. First one, entity. Entity means reality that has a definite individual existence. Business entity means a specifically identifiable business enterprises like Bazaar, Hire Jewelers, ITC Limited, etc. And an accounting system is always devised for a specific business entity called accounting entity. Next point is transaction. An event involving some values between two or more entities. It can be a purchase of goods, receipt of money, payment to a creditor, incurring expenses, etc. It can be a cash transaction or a credit transaction. Asset. Assets are the economic resources of an enterprise that can be useful expressed in terms of money. Assets are items of value used by the business in its operation. For example, Super Bazaar owns a fleet of trucks which is used by it for delivering foodstuffs. The trucks thus provide the economic benefit to the enterprise. These items will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet of Super Bazaar. So, student, if my video useful to you, so subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get next video.